Hey guys, so I have these postcards, right? And it says free credit restoration. Ask me how. So I'm just going to go ahead and let the cat out of the bag and tell you how we're doing credit restoration for people for free. So the music's too loud there. So you heard me talking about this Financial Edge membership with MWR Financial, right? Make Wealth Real Financial. Well, one of the membership benefits is credit restoration. Now, one membership takes care of both a husband and a wife together, so it's so much value, right? $79, two people get credit restoration and everything else that comes in the membership. But let me tell you about this free credit restoration. Ask me how, right? So I think this is very ingenious what they did. They made it so that a customer gets a referral link, and just like your credit may need enhancement, or maybe it's like real jacked up, or maybe you just trying to get an 850 score, I don't know, right? But you get a referral link, and when you refer 3 of your friends who enroll in the program, guess what happens? Yours is free. They waive the $79.97 for your membership, and you get all these membership benefits for free. Literally, credit restoration for free, debt elimination for free. You get the wealth experts for free. You get the instant pay raise experts for free, tax experts for free. They give you all of those membership benefits. So free credit restoration. Ask me how. I just told you. Sign up. No down payment or deposit enrollment fee. Just start your membership with $79. That includes you and your spouse. 28-year-old, reputable company. Great rating with the Better Business Bureau and all that stuff y'all ask about. And all you got to do is refer 3 people. You know 3 people. Refer 3 people. And now yours is free. So, and the boo, guess what else I'm going to do? I'm going to throw in a Westgate Resort vacation stay to either Las Vegas, Daytona, Orlando, Branson, Missouri, or Myrtle Beach, or Williamsburg, Virginia. You have your choice. It's just to say thank you for being my customer. I'm so proud of you for getting yourself on track financially. Thank you for enrolling in the Financial Edge membership. Not only do you have the opportunity to get it for free, but you get a free vacation stay as well. Come on, y'all. You can't beat that, okay? So, give me a call. I'm enrolling people like daily, okay? 443-864-9440. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.